Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into Tesla's all-new 2025 Model Y, and trust me, this one's packing some serious updates. Whether you're a Tesla superfan or just curious about electric SUVs, this video will break down what's new, exciting, and game-changing. Exterior, sleek, smart, and more aerodynamic. The first thing you'll notice? The redesigned exterior. It's smoother, sharper, and all about efficiency. The improved aerodynamics aren't just for looks, they give you better range, performance, and longevity. New wheels, tires, and brakes, perfect for comfort and control. Retuned suspension, say goodbye to those bumpy rides, it's like gliding on air now. And the cherry on top, a cross-car taillight. Not just any taillight, this is the world's first indirect reflective design. Sleek, futuristic, and super unique. Interior, a tech lover's paradise. Step inside, and you'll feel like you're in a high-tech lounge. Ambient lighting sets the vibe, think luxury hotel on wheels. Ventilated first-row seats keep you cool, even on long drives. The power-folding second-row seats. One button, and boom, more space for your stuff. Backseat upgrades? Oh, they delivered. A Bluetooth-enabled 8-inch touchscreen means passengers can control entertainment without bugging the driver. Acoustic glass all around, the cabin is so quiet, it's almost spooky. Invisible speakers, yup, they're hidden but deliver epic sound for your playlists, podcasts, and road trip vibes. Connectivity, next level convenience. Tesla's made your digital life easier with better phone key range, unlock and drive from farther away. Clearer calls, thanks to upgraded audio tech. Faster Wi-Fi and cellular speeds mean no lag, whether you're streaming a movie or checking maps. Everything you already loved is still here. 320 miles of range, long-range AWD, charge less, drive more. 76 cubic feet of cargo space for all your adventures. Free over-the-air software updates mean your car keeps getting better. Access to over 65,000 superchargers worldwide. Plus, FSD, full self-driving, supervised, can take you almost anywhere. Pricing, there's a Model Y for everyone. Here's what the lineup looks like. Long-range RWD, $31,490. Long-range AWD, $34,490. Performance AWD, $37,990. Launch Series AWD, $46,490. So, is this the best Model Y yet? Definitely. Whether it's the smoother rides, premium interior, or cutting-edge tech, Tesla has pushed the boundaries yet again. What do you think of the 2025 Model Y? Worth the upgrade? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth EV content. Catch you in the next one.